Hello, this is our Vagabond Jerry. And the next place on my Mexico caravan trip is Playa Bonita Resort here in the little town of Las Glorias. It's a beach town. And what we're doing today, I'm going to show you in the video, is a boat trip that goes to Bird Island and a place where there's some really big sand dunes I'm going to show you. And the weather here lately has been just about perfect, so I'm happy. And how you like these rates, folks? That's in pesos, by the way. These are the boats they're going to take us out on. Just small boats with motors on the back. Well, that's as close as the boats could come in. So we got off in the water there, but it's less than a foot deep. To get onto the island, you have to walk through this mud. It's not too thick. Looks like this was some kind of concrete structure that really crumbled apart. And over here to the right is a big flock of black colored birds. Really dark, maybe gray. Just standing around. There's also a lot of cactus like this. So the birds have really chopped up, built their nests in it. You see a lot of that all over. The guide is leading us down this trail here. Looks like the birds have really killed off this one right here. Wow, look at all that. Yeah, I think I see why they call it Bird Island. It's nice and quiet here. A lot of them land on top of these bushes here, all over. The birds landing in the bushes. Just any little piece they can find to land on. Pretty amazing, so many. Look at all those over here. That red one. Most of them are just jet black, like this guy. Gotta be careful walking around here. There's a lot of prickly pear. This stuff,
Joya,
it'll reach right out and grab you. I've walked all the way to the other side of the island, and I found this sign. The bottom part here is in English, and you can read all of it, just a little bit of it here. They got some pelicans here too. Elephants. Here's some mamas guarding their nests. Well, now we're getting back to where we started. And that trip out to the island took a little over an hour, and that was mostly going at a pretty high speed. I'm gonna go see what I can see up on top of the sand hill here. You can see the water on the other side as well there. And look how much sand here on the sand dunes. That's a lot. Makes me wonder where all this come from. And here around the middle of it, you can see even more expanse of the sand dunes. I kind of find it amazing that this is all here. It's a huge amount of sand and dunes. These are our boatmen setting up our picnic right there. Nice scenery. This place has a large outdoor restaurant and lounge area. And one unique thing about this restaurant is you can sit at a table or lay in a hammock. How about that? also have a pretty good size swimming pool here, including a wading pool, a medium deep pool, cabanas, and it's right beside the beach. It is really big beach. Some of us have our RVs parked really close to the beach. This is like a sandbox here. And look how close they got me parked to the beach. Well, this has been a fun outing. Hope you have enjoyed it as well. Please let me know in the comments below. Good day, folks.